Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing some speculating. Today, we're going to be talking about Doordash delivering packages again. And someone pointed out in my YouTube comments that there is not going to be a tip for picking up packages. Yes, of course, definitely. That is something that we missed the other day. I did not think about talking about that. So basically, what's going to be happening is I'm sure they're going to be low as hell paying orders to go pick up a package from someone, because obviously the USPS or whatever service it is going to be paying a flat rate for a driver to go pick up the order and drop it off. I can see them grouping these in with other orders because it is going to be a $3 or $4 order. However, it will be extremely simple. Go pick up the package, drop it off. However, there's going to be a lot of complications with this stuff. And as someone who literally runs a shipping department, like I am literally shipping shoes right now, like I do every single day. I basically run a shipping department. So this is my cup of tea. It's not COVID, I swear. I know a lot about shipping departments and running them and the complications that arise. And anytime you have to deal with a company like USPS, the absolute most shit piece of crap company in the entire country, it's a gigantic headache. So now when you group in a company like Doordash, who in my also opinion is a great company in theory, but it's not ran like a great company. It is not a great company, and it's not structurally sound like a great company like maybe US or UPS or Fedex is or something. Like, it's not a well-oiled machine. In fact, they don't even check, I mean, they do a very brief background check on some people, but I don't know, maybe I'm just a little biased because I literally report on the absolute worst things that happen to Doordash like every single day. So maybe I'm just speculating off of the bad intentions that I see all the time. But I know that Doordash doesn't hire the greatest people sometimes. And we got gangsters jizzing in Chipotle orders, dashers breaking into people's house to try to rape someone. You know, like there's so many freaking problems that come up all the time. And it's not like this doesn't happen all the time. Like, I literally type in Doordash news almost every day. There's almost always a new thing that comes up, you know? Be right back. Forgot to lock the door. Look, there's a structurally sound company, UPS or FedEx. So, let me just do a little bit of speculating. Let's talk about some of the problems that can arise when you have a bunch of delivery drivers who are paid like absolute shit, who weren't really vetted very well before a job. And now, no offense, guys, no offense. I'm just saying there is some pretty bad people that work for Doordash. Here's what happens, okay? So right now, some of the biggest problems we have are Doordash picking out people's food, grabbing a few French fries, not delivering the orders, like saying they were delivered but not actually delivering them. This is for $25 to $50 food orders, which probably is on the higher end of things. Let's be real. If a Doordash driver starts speculating, thinking, that's a PS4 that I'm returning. Maybe I should just say that I need a bathroom break and cancel this delivery. So then what happens? Let's say that Doordash driver now has the PS4 that was getting delivered, or anything, you know, because when you think about it, packages that get mailed out don't really have a cap on how, like, it's not a food order where there's like a certain cap, you know. Now you have people handling possibly thousands of dollars worth of packages, you know, like super expensive packages, who are getting a shit pay. Like, I would imagine they're probably getting $3 or $4 to pick up these mail orders. Like, that's what I would speculate it's going to be. It's not going to be a lot because it costs around, I don't know. So my shoe packages, those cost those weigh 2 pounds. So a 2-pound delivery, if you ship it all the way across the country, is about $18. And if you're shipping it to, like, let's say from Vegas to California, like I do most of my orders for like our stores and stuff that sell our products, those are around $8. So now, if you have someone like Doordash, who is now paying their driver $3, let's just say $3 to pick it up, and now they all, like, Doordash also has to take a profit, so they're going to take $2 or $3. So this $8 package, now UPS or USPS is now delivering it for $2? I'm confused. But okay, so you see where we run into a problem. Now you have Dashers who frankly don't give a shit about their job. Like, I see it in the comments all the time. Most people really are not like, yeah, Doordash, you know, like a lot of people don't really give a shit about the company. It's just kind of like a way to make money. Now all of a sudden you have someone speculating like, this box says Sony on it, you know? Maybe I should just accept that I don't want to make $1,000 in Doordash in the next few weeks, and I'll just take this box. You know? You see what I'm saying here? There's already these problems with DoorDashers fucking with food. Now you're going to have DoorDashers fucking with really expensive packages, to be honest. And anytime you have to deal with USPS as a company, that is the most garbage company in this entire country. I deal with it all the damn time. And I'm about on the freaking border to stop dealing with them, because here's the thing. Look, I run a freaking shipping department, like I've said a few times. The problem is USPS has this 2-day delivery that is cheaper than UPS ground, which means if I send a package, let's say it costs me $8 on UPS ground, it's going to cost like $7.80 on USPS 2-day air. So of course I want my customers to get their packages soon. The problem is, every once in a while, the packages don't arrive. And it's just like, I just accept defeat at that point, you know? I just accept like, okay, I'll just ship out another pair of shoes, because anytime you deal with UPS, or USPS, sorry, their names are so similar. UPS, great company. USPS, bullshit company, because it's run by the government, basically. Anytime I have to even deal with a returned order, I just accept, like, yep, that order's not coming back. Like, you can't call them. You can't, like, do anything. Like, trust me, I freaking deal with this all the damn time. It is such a nightmare. So when you even have to deal with USPS, and then you add on DoorDash on top of that, and then you have to figure out, okay, where did this order get lost in the process? Was it the DoorDash driver? Did he even make it back to the UPS or USPS? Or like, now we have big problems that are going to be put back on the businesses. Now, of course, I'm kind of defending businesses here, because it's going to end up costing us more, you know? DoorDash is going to freaking somehow parlay this burden onto the businesses and say, oh, it's not our fault, or he picked it up, you know? Or like, somehow there's going to be way more lost products. And I don't like it, I gotta be honest. Just because I'm seeing it from all perspectives. I'm seeing it from the shipping department's problem. I'm seeing it from the business's problem. I'm seeing it from the DoorDasher who picks up packages every single day and then drops it off at the post office's problem. I'm seeing a whole bunch of problems here. And that is, it's gonna lead to a lot of headaches. And I personally can see DoorDash getting sued, maybe, because there could be like, see, the thing is, like, a package isn't going to cost like a lawsuit, but when you get a bunch of packages built up, it could end up in a lawsuit. I don't know. I just can see this ending up. Here's the problem. DoorDash is taking on more tasks that financially don't make sense for them. They're just trying to insert themselves in all these parts of people's lives. That's what they're doing. So I get it. I get what they're doing, but I just see this as a problem, you know? It's like continuously selling products for less than you paid for them, you know? Like, doesn't make any sense. But that's what DoorDash's model is just inserting like making themselves so convenient in people's lives that everyone has to have them, you know? Like, so, I don't know. I'm just speculating, doing a lot of speculating today, but I was just like thinking more about the problems that are going to arise from this. And there's going to be so many problems, but anyways, and plus, who wants to pick up freaking $3 to $4 orders anyways? No one. So now you have all the dumbass drivers who, sorry, no offense, guys. I take that back. I take it back. Edit out the last bit. I'm not calling you guys dumbasses. I'm just saying, you get all the new drivers, the ones who are not as picky, probably haven't been around for as long, picking up all these $3 and $4 orders. Maybe these drivers don't have as much experience. They don't care about their job as much. That's what I'm saying, you know? Like, you generally don't have the best drivers picking up the $3 and $4 orders. Like, let's be real. In my opinion, guys, don't get all freaking typey on me. But anyways, alright, I'm just going to wrap up today's video because we've done enough speculating today. This is the earliest we've done a video, by the way. It is 9:25 a.m. 9:25 a.m. It's pretty damn early for me, but anyways, alright, we're going to wrap up today's video because I got to continue shipping some shoes out, going work out.
It's about time.
Whoa! Listen to some UFC podcasts. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoy these videos at all, please consider subscribing. Also, feel free to do some speculating down below. Let me know what you think the problems are going to be, because I can only think of a few things, but let me know what other problems you guys think are going to arise from this. And do you think it makes sense? Personally, I don't think it makes sense. I think this is a gigantic mistake. And I'm going to pick out the shipping department, or the shipping company that does not allow DoorDash in their little, like, I don't want anything to do with DoorDash and shipping my shoes out and stuff, you know? I'm sorry, but I'm gonna go with, like, I don't think DHL will do this. I might switch over to DHL and do all our shipments through them. I don't think FedEx would do this. I don't know, maybe, but yeah, I don't know. Anyways, alright, I'm out. This conversation's getting too intricate. Anyways, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, smash that like button, and if you want to get a pair of off-axis shoes, go to offaxisathletics.com. Use discount code offaxistanner for 30% off. Get yourself some awesome shoes. Anyways, we'll see you guys next one. Peace.